this is MSC's private resort. And there's our cruise ship we were on. And it's quite high. So we're out here exploring the island and seeing what all we can get into. Here, let me show you this. Orange flower.
No, the peso more espresso.
Increasing the habitat. What do you want to do? Wait for the bus? Yep. All right. Water. Yep. Inside. I don't think it's going to be forced. I would imagine this is going to be coral. One day they'll attach to it. Right now it's an artificial coral. And then eventually the coral reefs will attach to the edges and everything else.
These were after coral reefs at some point.
This is fast. And there's our boat.
Woke the crowd up early. Someone's not happy.
Yeah, they're rebuilding that whole.
All 5 cruise ships disembarking at one time. And a nice new terminal that wasn't here before for Nassau entry. Well, that's our cruise ship. Gabby, look at the cruise ship now.
Duncan reduced on
Yep. It's a big conch, isn't it?
Yeah, usually if there's a hole like right there, you can blow into it and it makes that sound.
walking around.
Just like the day that I met.
You will be my judge. Both of you get a free sample for under the eyes. If you like it, just check the website. Puffiness or wrinkles, which one would you like?
Either one, thank you.
Why not? It's a free sample. The ship pays. If you like it, just check the website.
That is like a small taste of what this used to be like. Thank you. I'm not interested. Thank you.
Much nicer experience this time. It seems like they have improved a lot of the... Wasn't talking to you. Seems like they've... Gabby, thought I was talking to her. Seems like they've improved a lot of the shopping areas here, and for the tourists. And there's the tourist, the entryway, the welcome center is a lot nicer too. It doesn't have all of the little huts that were here with all the vendors that were hounding you as soon as you got off the boat. So they still hound you, but not like it was. Pretty down here for Venus from Mars together. Not right there. VK's over. It was a nice, much needed vacation. Although this is Port Canaveral, the launch pads, I believe, are right over there. Let's see Sean. I don't know, I could be wrong, but these look like the launch recovery pads for the rockets, for the rocket recovery pads that they take out into the ocean when the rocket's coming down. Now see the circle on the deck there, the landing zone, and I can guarantee you that's what those are. The one we saw out in the ocean was carrying the rocket that was launched on Tuesday night. It'll take them, they won't get back with that thing until tomorrow. There's another recovery pad. It looks like the feet to the bottom of the rocket, the little legs. Pretty cool how they get those rockets right when they get within range and can dial them in and get them down here on that pad. See Sean walking back. I got him to wave. This is the MSC Seashore. She was one of their largest fleet that was built in Italy, and she holds a little over 5,000 passengers. And that's about all I know without looking it up.